CC Learn and Play.
Hi guys! Welcome to CC's Learn and Play. Hi guys, I'm Izena. Hi guys, and I'm CC. On today's episode, we're gonna bake a cake. Yeah guys, we're making a strawberry cake. To bake a cake, you will need these ingredients: water and cake mix, egg and oil and frosting and sprinkle. We're baking a cake. I would ask a grown-up to help. Safety first. Let's bake a cake, guys. Yeah! First, we're gonna pour the cake mix. I think I'll take a pass my bowl. Sure, cousin. For this part, my mom's gonna help. Auntie, can you help? Whoa! Smells really good too. Oh, it smells really good. Smells really good too. It smells really good. Smells like vanilla frosting. Now we gotta add water. Ooh. Now we're gonna add the oil. Next we're gonna mix. So pink. The mixing is finally done. Yeah! Now I'm gonna smooth it out. It looks so good and yummy. Now we have to preheat the oven. For this part, you definitely need a grown-up. You have to put it in the oven for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
While we're waiting for a cake, let's do the cake dance. Favorite part. Now it's time to frost the cake. Oh yeah! Good job. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Here's our cake. You can see it has all of the sprinkles and has like, we want cake! We want cake! It is so good, Chloe. It is so good, guys. Thank you for watching Cece's Learn and Play. Sweet video with them. Bye, guys. And make sure you subscribe to Cece's Learn and Play. Bye.